Hello, children. Welcome back to chemistry class. Now we are dealing with the chapter combustion and flame. So, in our previous video, we had learned that what do you mean by combustion, necessary conditions for combustion, and how to control the fire. So, in our today class, we are going to learn about igneous temperature, inflammable substance, and types of combustion. Let us know the meaning of igneous temperature. Before that, let us recall some of your experiences. You must have heard an experience of burning of a piece of a paper. So, when you want to burn a paper, does it burn when a burning mastic is brought near it? Yes, it of course it burn. And if you want to burn a piece of wood by bringing a lighted mastic near it, I think quite difficult to burn, through the mastic. So here, in case of burning of a wood and burning of a coal, it is not easy that it will not catch the fire immediately. We need to add some fuel like a kerosene oil, or we have to use a paper to lit up the flame. Okay, so in generally it shows that the substance different substance catches fire at different temperature. So this lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called its igneous temperature. It is essential for a substance to reach its igneous temperature to burn. As we learned that basic needs of burning, we need a temperature, certain temperature to the substance to undergo the combustion. Here, as we know the fuels that petrol, kerosene, LPG, okay, so these are the fuels where it need the lowest temperature, very less temperature to ignite. But coal, wood, cow dung, okay, so these fuels need a more igneous temperature. Means the more temperature is need to this substance to catch a fire. So children, you need to know that a different substance burn at a different temperature. So this lowest temperature at which a substance burn or catch fire is said to be a igneous temperature. Inflammable substance, the substance which have very low igneous temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substance. So as I said that some substance need a very low igneous temperature, like for example petrol, alcohol, liquid petroleum gas, LPG, kerosene. So these are the fuels which require very low igneous temperature. So such substances are said to be a inflammable substance. Then Based on the process of combustion, the combustion has been categorized into three categories, like rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, explosion, or explosive combustion. Let us know these meanings one by one. Rapid combustion. We find that gas burns rapidly and produces heat and light. Such combustion is known as rapid combustion. So, when we want to burn a substance, it burns rapidly, means it burns immediately and produce light and heat energy. For example, phosphorus, you know, which burn in air at a room temperature. Phosphorus burn in a air at a room temperature, and substances, LPG, burner of a LPG. So when we lit up through the lighter, LPG give the flame. So this is the example of a rapid combustion. Next type of the combustion, that is spontaneous combustion. Here, the type of combustion in which a material suddenly bursts into flames without the application of any apparent cause is called spontaneous combustion. Children, here spontaneous combustion, nothing but spontaneous means by itself without application of any apparent like mastic or lighter. So it suddenly bursts and give off the flame. Such combustions are said to be a spontaneous combustion. Example, forest fire, burning of sodium metal, burning of red phosphorus, and burning of potassium. So these are the naturally occurring combustion, means the spontaneous combustion. You know that some metals and non-metals, when we explore to a room temperature, it start burn by itself. So this type of a combustion is said to be a spontaneous combustion. The third type of the combustion is explosion or explosive combustion. We generally have fireworks on the festival days. Okay, when a cracker is ignited, a sudden reaction takes place with the evolution of heat, light, and sound. So, this large amount of gas formed in the reaction is liberated. Such a reaction is said to be a explosion. So, children, here explosion nothing but it is quite similar to the rapid combustion, but here along with the heat and light, the substance produce a sound and large amount of gas get liberated by this combustion. So such reaction is said to be a explosion or explosive combustion. Example, fireworks or burning of the cracker. So when we burn the cracker during a festival, you know that Heat and light energy will liberate. Along with that, we heard a sound. So this type of a combustion is said to be a explosion or explosive combustion. I hope children you understood. In this class we had learnt about igneous temperature, inflammable substances, and types of combustion. Thank you.